Hello. Now I am going to take subject maths for the topic trigonometry. So you already know about the basic of trigonometry. Only I want to do the sums on trigonometry about the application. So like measuring the height of the tower, measuring the height of the mountain, then measuring the birds which is flying, what height, all that we can do by using this trigonometry method. So just give one of the example. An observer, okay, here there is observer, observer is there. Now he is 1.4, okay, this is let us say the ground level. His height from ground is 1.5 meter height. Is a tall, that person height. Now he is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. You know the industrial, there will be some chimneys will be there. So that is helpful for exhaust smokes all will go there. So observe is 28.5 meter away from that what is standing, and from the chimney is 28.5 meter is away from the chimney. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from his eyes 45 degree. So whatever is just finding that angle of elevation. Okay, deviation and elevation are the elevation is which we are looking in the top angle. So let us say from this horizontal level, the angle of from his eyes, the elevation of that angle is 45 degree they given. Now they are asking what is the chimney height is how much? It's a question mark. So how to do this sum? See here, we already know here 1.5 meter is height means from here to here also height is 1.5 meter. So what about this balance height? Balance total height of the chimney we are considering it as h. So h minus 1.5 meter you will get from here to here, isn't it? That whatever. Now the angle is here is let us consider this as angle, okay, triangle, right angle triangle as ABC. Already know here 90 degree is there. Trigonometry always right angle triangle will come here. So opposite side we are knowing, and this adjacent side also we are knowing. So what kind of formula we can take? Opposite by adjacent means, so you will have formula, you have to select only tan theta. Tan theta is angle is 45 degree. So that tan 45 is opposite side divided by adjacent. That is the formula we already know. Now what is the opposite value? It is h minus 1.5 divided by the adjacent is we are getting around 28.5. We already know tan 45 is nothing but value is as 1. Now cross multiply this, h minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5. Therefore height of the chimney equal to 28.5 plus 1.5. So how much you will get? 30 meter. So that is the answer. Okay. Now we will also see about one more sum also. From here I'll rub this. From a point P on the ground. See there is a, let us say ground will take point, let us consider it as P, and the angle of elevation of the top of the 10 meter tall building. There was a top building. Okay, building is there. Let us say the building, its height is 10 meter. Height of the building is 10 meter, they already given. And the angle of elevation of the tall building from the point P is 30 degree. Top of the building from here point P is 30 degree. Now a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. Here they hoisted some flag, let us say our national flag, whatever. Okay, now a flag is angle of elevation of the top of the flag staff is 45 degree. So from here the point P to the top of the flag staff is from P point, it is 45 degree. Find the length of the flag staff. Now you have to find out what is the length of this is how much, and the distance of the building from the point P. They also want the distance from P to Flagstaff, distance of the building. Okay, so how much distance is there? That distance, that is also question mark, and this also length is how much question mark. Now how to do this? So now what you have to do is, here also we are already having about 10 meter. Let us say this length we will consider it as L. Now we can select tan formula only, because we are having opposite by adjacent, we have to calculate. So for that better formula is tan. Okay, so tan 45 degree if you take, for tan 45 we will give the name also. Let us say this is already given P. Let us say this is Q, this is R. Let us say this we will give it as some other name as M. Okay. Now how we can find out is tan 45 is equal to, opposite is how much are there? So 10 meter plus flagstaff length also. So 10 plus L you can put, and this value we don't know. So we will consider it as D. Now tan 45 value is 1. 1 equal to 10 plus L divided by D. So therefore D is equal to 10 plus L. So what is this distance? This distance also we are getting it as 10 plus L only. Understood? So D and 10 plus L, this 10 plus L both are same. That means it is looks like isosceles triangle. Okay, now let us take about tan 30 also. Tan 30 is value is 1 divided by root 3. Again opposite side we are having 10 divided by this distance. Distance we have to take it as 10 plus L. So now we cross multiply this. 10 plus L equal to 10 into root 3. So L equal to 10 root 3 minus 10. If you take 10 as common, root 3 minus 1, we already know 10 into root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1. So 10 into, you will get it as only 1 into 0.732, because 1 you are subtracting. Then if you multiply this, you will get 7.32 meter. So height of the flagstaff is therefore 7.32. Okay, I'll just close my video.